this tree is our marker to turn left right there. Don't go straight. Go left up that trail. Okay.
Yeah, you can refer to your footage and you know.
That's right. So if we see this mile marker for trail 10, that's where we came from, right there. And then we turn left at trail 6. But if we come back and we go straight, that might take us back to where we started from.
To the road.
All right, copy that.
Back to the road.
Miko, God,
There.
don't feed the bears. I don't know. Are we gonna cross the creek over here? That'd be fun.
Yeah.
All right, crossing the creek. That's what it's about. Wet socks and stinky feet. Look at Miko showing off.
Yeah, guess what? Right from the beginning. Wow, Miko.
Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh, son. Oh God, he's going down.
Oh.
Woo.
Oh.
Meg, you got this okay? You just be careful. You be careful, baby. I think I'll be getting wet feet on this one. And just so you know, I'm okay with that. Miko, come give your mom a hand. What are you doing? I'm the bossy dad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I got it.
Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at it? Just look at it. Oh my gosh, she has the balance of a goat. Wow. Oh geez. He's going down. Ah! What? What? Oh.
You did it.
Bada bing.
Bada boom.
Bada boom.
You did it.
Jeez. All these fallen trees from the storm, huh? We had some pretty stormy weather past couple of days. One, two, three, four.
Come on.
Five.
Come on.
Yeah. All right, Meg, your turn.
Okay.
Woo! Nice. She's pretty good.
That's
I should take my shoes off because they're pretty heavy.
1, 2,
Snap.
4, 5. One more.
Oh.
One more. You
I don't want to beat him.
One
I don't want to beat him.
more. Well, it's going back to the road, so fuck it.
Are we blocked off?
Maybe.
Okay,
Okay, well, let's go 1 mile, I guess.
that's what happens when you hike. When you hike after a storm. Oh. There you go. Use a stick you're going to use to defend yourself against a bear. Golly, you're so destructive. What? Woo! Wow, you are a champ.
I know.
Uh-oh.
Get more.
There you go, Miko. Miko's finished the job. Oh! Got him right in the dinger. You all right?
I had to like close my eyes.
And then here's my contribution. Bad. There. Phew.
Good job. Is that a bear? You want this one?
Oh, yes. Rocks are slippery. Yes.
Come boy. Come on, you can do it.
All right. Stiff-legged.
Like Forrest Gump. Jesus. Gonna be here all day.
How about I'll throw you? You hit.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Another one.
Okay. Woo!
Power.
Good.
Okay.
Let's go over.
That could be the trail over there.
Yeah. We can go over easily.
I don't want to.
Let's go up a little bit.
I don't want to get sap on me though. I don't want to get sap on me. Okay. Up and over. Whoop.
Piece of cake, see? And now we're back in business.
Whoa.
Good job, ladies.
Whoa! Look how many darn trees on this path.
And we'll have to be kind of careful because they could just keep falling. I mean, I'm sure there's some that are hung up in the trees. I was kind of worried about that earlier.
Oh well, live once, right?
All right.
Fallen.
Good Lord.
That's a lot of fucking fallen trees.
Sure is.
Look at the roots.
That's crazy.
I mean,
I know. How did it just fall?
the windstorm we had was intense.
Oh man.
Oops.
Jump in a hole.
You jump in a hole. Okay. Yeah, I think this is not worthwhile.
Oh, Pat, is there any more fallen trees?
That's all it is fallen trees.
But look, trees are snapping like healthy fucking trees.
Yeah.
That's a fucking chill.
Crazy. All right, let's get out of here.
Spot where
I think.
my right on your mother.
Okay. All right, son, be careful. It could fall backwards on your head. That rotten piece right there.
Timber.
Oh. Oh no!
That was awesome.
Paul Bunyan. Paul Bunyan's. Okay. All right, let's get out of here. All right, Mr. Destructo. All right. You got it. All right. Okay. All right.
Super fun.
Phew. Let's try this last trail, son.
Almost.
Yeah. Everything else has a bunch of blown trees over it.
You see how
Let's see, what does this one have here?
How Dad is picking the trail.
Let's see.
That is not clearly
Oh.
trail.
Look how beautiful it is, though. What a beautiful stream. trip over everything. Huh. Look at how lovely this is. Oh. Oh. Ah. Yep.
Just like that.
Just like that.
I think I want to do a pool.
This would actually be a fun place to come in the summertime, huh? Look at those nice pools. Hey, how's it going, man? Lovely. Where does Miko think he's going? I think he's purposefully trying to slide into the creek to cool down.
Is there more fastest?
That looks like it's about it.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh!
Whoa!
Hey! Don't do it, Miko.
May not be a good idea if it's so slick.
Yeah, it's very slick, Miko. Come back.
It was just raining yesterday.
It's very nice. How about me? I'll flex. How about me? I'll flex still. Hold on. I'll flex still. Hold on. Hold on.
Ooh. Oh! Okay. Go ahead, buddy. Gee whiz. All right. Where'd it go?
They just went under. Look at this thing.
Uh-oh. Dad, you're a dick. Woo, those are good ones. All right. Skipping upstream. Hey, that was a good one.
Right there would be the perfect skipping spot.
That is. B-U-T-T U-G-L-Y. But. Here we go. Rock skipping 101. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Whoa, that was a good one.
Is that a bat? Look, right
That-
above. Is that a bat?
I think that is a bat.
That is a bat.
That bat thinks it's bugs on the water.
I thought that's
That bat's confused.
That's a mine.
Wow, that is trippy.
Watch it there.
Woo!
I called the back. Come back.
Awesome. All right, here we go. This is the one. You almost did hit the bat. Be nice to the bat. Okay. So we're gonna hang on to the branch. There you go. Are you ready, Miko, to go for a little swing? Are you ready, buddy? Oh, oh, wee, wee, wee. Oh. Wood. Uh-oh. Don't hit your head on that rock. Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Give me your hand.
Whoa.
There he goes, monkey boy. All right. Oh, ah. Oh, got a little bit of rope burn. Phew.